Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reduce zip folder size. First, it's important to understand that smaller zip files are much easier to share online and take up less storage space on your devices. Begin by carefully reviewing the contents of your folder. Look for any duplicate documents, old versions, or files you no longer need. Removing just a few megabytes of unnecessary data before compression can significantly impact the final archive size, sometimes by as much as 20%. Next, when you're creating your zip file, pay close attention to the compression settings. Most tools offer options like fastest, normal, or best compression. While fastest is quicker, it provides minimal size reduction. For the smallest possible file, always choose the best or maximum compression level. This setting instructs the software to work harder, often achieving a size reduction of 50% or more, though it might take a few extra moments to complete the process. For even greater reductions, consider using advanced compression software beyond your operating system's built-in tools. Programs like 7-Zip or WinRAR often employ more efficient algorithms, potentially shrinking files by an additional 10 to 15%. Also, explore solid archiving, which can be particularly effective for folders containing many small files. If your archive is still massive, splitting it into several smaller volumes, perhaps each around 500 megabytes, makes sharing much easier. Finally, the type of files you're zipping plays a huge role. Files like JPEG, MP3s, and MP4s are often already highly compressed, so zipping them won't yield much further reduction, perhaps only a few percent. However, uncompressed formats like BMP images or WAV audio files can shrink dramatically. Convert these to more efficient formats, such as a JPEG or a smaller MP3, before zipping. This pre-compression step can reduce the original file size by up to 80%, leading to a much smaller final zip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.